Hey everybody, Alex Ryan here, and I want to show you a potential product to sell on Amazon. Okay, so this is a iron cast teapot. Just look a little closely there. Zoom in on that, it's beautiful. You put your tea in there, right? It weighs a ton, right? Now, a potential student of mine was thinking about selling these on Amazon, and this is actually a hot product. It actually is making money for people out there on Amazon. And it's very easy to find suppliers. I've already found them on Alibaba. Very easy to find them. Very cheap. Well, very cheap actually to buy these things. Beautiful cast iron. The problem is it's actually quite heavy. They weigh about a kilo. Now this is just a small one, right? Imagine what a big one is. So my student was thinking about jumping on this station, and I had one look at the weight and I said, now the problem is, it's not the size. The size is perfect, right? It fits in a shoebox. It's less than 45 centimeters, but it weighs a ton. It weighs a kilo. So the shipping cost alone will kill you, right? So if you're looking to get started on Amazon, the first product, right, you can work on these later on. This could be your second or third product, right? But if you're doing the first product and you've never done Amazon before, and you've never sold online before, then choose an easier product. Choose a product where it's lightweight, less than 700 grams, less than 45 centimeters. So if it fits in a shoebox, perfect, right? So that will be your first product. And later on, you can do things like these cast iron teapots, right? It's something trendy, and it's very easy actually to brand. You know, these on the bottom, you can put like little styles or designs here. It's very easy to brand this sort of thing, and the packaging as well. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's tip. If you're looking for ideas on what to sell on Amazon, and you're looking for ways in which to launch a product on Amazon and not too sure where to start, connect with us today. We've got a free webinar at our website. We've got free product ideas there. There's actually a step-by-step free video series that walks you through the entire process. All right, so I hope to see you there. My name's Alex Ryan. Have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.